Hello YouTube friends, I'm back again to show you how to make best darn fried hot dog ever in cast iron. Large cast iron hot dogs. You take your hot dog bun, which is light bread. Growing up poor in Tennessee, light bread, they call it light bread. It is your sandwich bread, it's your hamburger bun, it is your hot dog bun, it is your garlic bread when you sprinkle the garlic powder seasoning on it. It is your French toast when you add ingredients. So light bread is all that. Hamburger bun, hot dog bun. Take your fried hot dog and iron skillet. Don't try this at home unless you have a cast iron skillet. Put it on the bread. Add shredded cheese. If I could get it open. Got the shredded cheese on there. Add some relish. Got the relish on there. Add some French's mustard, or ketchup if you like, or mayonnaise if you like. And there you have best darn fried hot dog ever with no chili. Fried hot dog in cast iron, shredded cheese, relish, mustard. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with some more cast iron cooking. Got this large skillet, that little large pan, that big 10-inch large skillet. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be frying some cabbage and bacon and potatoes here in just a few minutes in that big skillet. Come back to see how that turns out. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I think I said that already. Have a good day.